Alex's magical adventure on Eldoria Island. Once upon a time, there was a magical island called Eldoria, hidden far away in the vast ocean. This special place was full of wonders, with colorful flowers, unseen creatures, and ancient secrets. Eldoria was ruled by Queen Seraphina, a wise and kind sorceress who had lived for a very long time. She kept the island in balance with her powerful magic, ensuring that everything lived harmoniously. One day, a curious sailor named Alex set sail to find Eldoria. Guided by dreams, he reached the island, where Queen Seraphina greeted him. She explained that Eldoria's magic thrived on pure attention and courage. As Alex explored Eldoria, he encountered magical beings like the Wisps and Nixies. He discovered floating islands, crystal clear streams, and pools of liquid starlight. But challenges awaited him. Dark forces sought to disrupt Eldoria's harmony. With Queen Seraphina's guidance, Alex faced these challenges, making friends with the magical creatures and becoming a hero. Together, they defeated the darkness and restored balance to Eldoria. In gratitude, Eldoria gave Alex a magical artifact to return whenever needed. As he sailed away, the mist closed behind him, hiding Eldoria once more. But the harmony of its magic stayed with Alex, a reminder that extraordinary things are always within reach for those who believe.